Cozy Homes A&I arrived to do the bonded bead insulation blown in through the walls. Here it is. You can see here the hole in the plasterboard where they blew it in, and that was done all over the house. Anthony was hard at work digging out for all the drainage around the house. Then you can see here we have the plasters completely finished outside and the down pipes have been fitted. I think it turned out quite well. And finally the last bit of scaffolding can come down. The plasterboard's all on. The plaster is started. And here we started the skim. The ceiling's all been skimmed there. This is the living room. Upstairs the plastering work is completely finished. It's all skimmed out. It's the bedroom in here. And another bedroom here. And down this hall leading into the main bathroom. This is the hot press. And into bedroom number 3. It's quite a big bedroom. And there's a walk-in wardrobe in here. Down into the master bedroom. And we have an ensuite and 2 walk-in wardrobes in this room. There's a retaining wall being built at the back of the house. Each of these blocks weighs 40 kilos and Anthony humped each and every one of them on his own to build that wall. So that's everything up to date as of December 24. The next step is to get the floor heating pipes in and the floor screed. We also have another renovation in the pipeline. It's an old schoolhouse, so there's a lot of work to be done there. Keep up to date with everything that's going on by subscribing, and all your likes are appreciated. Bye.